Capable of 300 kilometers per hour, these advanced trains...
Zone 3 is stabilizing nicely.
Good, we are within the target range
The
now.
pressure differential is stabilizing right on target.
Look at the laminar flow over the sensor array. Excellent results.
All right, monitor the pressure differential on screen 3.
The doors are now closing for the inaugural high-speed service.
This massive facility is where the next generation of 300 kilometer per hour high-speed trains are built.
A marvel of modern engineering, the massive 75-ton crane delivers the vital aluminum components that...
Check the readout on the flange thickness. We're showing minus 0.02 millimeters there.
It's acceptable according to the spec sheet. The system shows green.
Sector 4 stabilized, confirming green across the board.
Roger that. Data logged.
Applying 50% pressure, deviation holding at 0.05.
Laser line looks good from here.
Converging to 0, retracting the press now.
Easy now, watch the starboard alignment, just a few more centimeters.
Holding steady. And we have green status, panel secured.
Okay, lower slowly, watch the alignment on the right.
Copy that, watching the lasers now.
Secure the front clamps.
The laser tracker confirms the alignment, ensuring the bogey mount meets the stringent Pew 0.1 millimeter tolerance.
The laser trackers sweep across the aluminum shell, capturing millions of data points per second.
Slow descent, looking good on the left.
Alignment indicators green. Position confirmed.
Engaging fasteners.
Check the schematic for Zone 4.
Routing the yellow bundle now.
Make sure those clips are secure. We're aligned on this end.
Brackets are secured.
Inspection complete, looks good. Keep it steady on your side.
The laser shows we are aligned. Confirmed on the tablet.
Beginning the fastening sequence.
Lift it slightly higher on the left side. Okay, holding steady. Alignment confirmed, proceeding with fastening sequence 3.
Lower slowly on the left side.
Clear on the right. Lasers aligned.
Confirmed, set it down.
Guide it in gently. We need perfect alignment.
Hold it there, we're clear.
Torquing the bolts now.
Lift coming up slowly.
5 millimeters to the left.
Digital readout is stable, pressure looks good. Watch your pinch points.
Clear on this side, boss.
Torque is set on the wrench.
Alignment check complete. We are green across the board.
Copy that. Initiating final torque sequence now.
Structure is secure. Good to go.
Okay, coming down slowly.
A little to the left, steady now.
Looks good on this side. Make sure those clamps are tight. Torque set to 50. Green light on the schematic. Check the pressure on the main line.
It's holding steady at 7 bar.
All right, let's secure the bracket.
The fire detection system is crucial for passenger safety, activating zone by zone as the installation is verified.
Move it slightly to the left, steady now.
Alignment confirmed. Proceeding with the ascent.
Torque sequence complete. All readings verified green.
Watch your spacing on the left.
Confirmed clearance.
Lowering to seat.
Looks aligned, ready for bolts.
We have positive spline engagement. Tolerances confirmed. Green on all axes. Ready for fastening sequence.
Connectors seated, lines secured.
Resistance check passed.
Next bay.
All right, easy now, bring it left. Looks good, go ahead and secure the mounts. Torquing sequence complete, we are green. Cross-referencing the schematic now. The sequence looks correct.
All right, begin the pressure sequence on the forward bogey.
Ease it forward.
Okay, we're in the cradle.
Start the torque sequence on my mark. We're still off by a ½ millimeter.
Making the adjustment now.
Perfect alignment confirmed.
Precision is paramount when installing the traction control system. These sensors feed critical data directly to the diagnostic unit.
Slow descent, watch the starboard side.
Clear on my end. Markers aligned.
All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the clearance on sector gamma.
Steady now. Mounts aligned.
Torque sequence initiated. All systems nominal.
Clearances are good on this side.
Confirmed. Let's move to the next mount.
Okay, bring it down slowly on the left side. Watch the clearance on bracket 12. Looks good, torque it down.
Okay, bring it down slowly.
Steady, steady. Ensure the vacuum seal is green.
Looks flush here.
Panel clear on the left.
Engaging fasteners now.
Alignment looks good on tablet 3.
Powering up section 3 now.
Reading steady at 500 lux. Rail alignment confirmed. Check the readout.
All green on the tablet, ready for the next section.
Okay, lower the unit slowly.
Clear on the left.
Engaging fasteners now.
Check the alignment on the far right unit.
Looks good. Torque to spec.
Power and data are secure.
Align the rails precisely.
They are aligned and secured.
Test cycle complete. Clearance confirmed.
Intercom panel secured. Testing now. Confirmed operational.
Matches the schematic. Good work.
Okay, lift engaging now.
Watch the left side clearance, bring it back just a bit.
All right, securing the mounts.
The plumbing systems for the new high-speed trains require absolute precision. Every connection is verified digitally before the pressure tests begin.
Clear on the left side.
Set it down slowly.
All right, basin next. Alignment looks good.
Hoses connected.
Sensors active. Green light on the display.
Confirmed. Moving to the next unit.
The insulated floor requires precise alignment of the composite panels before the final slip-resistant layer is applied.
Alignment confirmed on section 4. Copy that. Proceed with securing.
Alignment looks good on the tablet. Secure the bolts on the lower frame.
Torquing now.
All right, keep it steady, watch the trim.
We're almost seated.
Alignment looks good, secure it. Okay, bring it in slowly. Watch the anti-slip coating.
We have alignment confirmed. Starting the torque sequence now. Traction levels are stabilizing right on target.
Good, we have green across the braking modules.
Acknowledged. Climate control synchronization is complete.
Power-up sequence initiated. Monitoring voltage regulation.
Levels stabilizing. All safety parameters are currently nominal.
Pressure stable at required tolerance.
Confirmed. Engagement is nominal. Proceed to next phase.
The load curves are stabilizing within the expected range.
Good, let's initiate the next cycle at 70%.
Readings are stable across the board.
Confirmed. Logging the stabilization values now.
Pressure looks good for retraction.
Powering up the traction motors. We're looking for a smooth acceleration curve.
Confirming stable temperatures and low vibration readings at current RPM.
Data flow indicators are green across the board.
Excellent. Mark communication verified.
We are stable at 22 degrees Celsius.
Increasing the flow rate by 5% now.
Acknowledged. The humidity levels remain optimal.
Testing sequence complete. The next station is Yojana City Center.
Levels confirmed. Synchronization nominal.
System response confirmed. All parameters within tolerance.
Acknowledged. Initiating system reset now.
The program sequence is active and ramping up to full intensity now.
Reading consistent lux levels at 5 meters. Alignment is verified.
Did you verify the mounting brackets on the overhead?
Yes, tolerances are perfect. I've updated the checklist.
Reading confirmed at 0.5.
Noted. The reflection continuity is perfect.
Zone 3 is stabilizing nicely.
Good, we are within the target range now.
Humidity levels look optimal as well.
Axle 4 is showing a slight deviation.
Adjusting the suspension now.
Readings are stabilizing. Verified.
We are showing green across all primary systems.
Confirmed. The pantograph is tracking correctly.
The lateral acceleration on bogey 2 is within tolerance.
We are approaching the target velocity now.
Data looks nominal across all parameters.
The lateral stability readings are holding steady below the threshold.
Good. The vibration data looks consistent across all bogies at this speed.
The brakes performed within tolerance.
Stopping distance is exactly as predicted.
The pressure differential is stabilizing right on target.
Look at the laminar flow over the sensor array. Excellent results.
Channel 3 confirms compliance. The emission levels are acceptable.
Thermal readings on bogey 3 are spiking.
Acknowledged. Logging the event now. The energy consumption curve shows an anomaly at high traction.
Acknowledged. Implementing the revised parameters now.
Efficiency targets met. The recovery rate stabilized exactly as projected.
Confirmed. Logging the data now.
We finally did it. It looks perfect.
300 kilometers an hour, right on schedule.
Final systems check complete. Catenary is energized.
Acknowledged. We are cleared for departure.
All parameters are stable across the board.
Confirmed. The energy consumption is lower than projected.
Reading point 4 millimeters.
Acknowledged. Data confirms perfect alignment.
All right, monitor the pressure differential on screen 3.
Acknowledged, pressure stable at 2.5 bar.
Very good. Now, gently engage the manual throttle override.
Control, this is integration lead. Confirming phase 3 handshake complete.
Roger that lead. Train 105 is showing green across the network.
The arrival marks a significant milestone in high-speed rail technology, showcasing unprecedented precision and engineering.
Spaceship. The stitching on the leather seats is impeccable. And the color grading on the LEDs really enhances the sense of space.
Sign-off complete. The train is authorized for service.
The doors are now closing for the inaugural high-speed service. Please stand clear and enjoy your journey. The doors are now closing. Please stand clear of the platform edge. This train is departing on its first revenue service.
The future of German National Rail is in motion. Capable of 300 kilometers per hour, these advanced trains